everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing this neutral brown acrylic full set. This set was pretty hard for me, you guys, but I thought it turned out super cute. It's definitely perfect for the fall and winter season. So the first thing I just so right here I'm just so I've already prepped my natural nails, and I'm going in now and just cutting, and I'm going to be shaping my tips and using my nail file right here just to give it a nice square shape. As you guys know, I always usually wear my nails in a square shape, so that's what I'm doing right here. And shaping has been, you guys, a real struggle for me, honestly. Shaping is one of the hardest parts, I feel like, to learn doing nails, so definitely take your time with filing. Practice makes perfect, and I'm guessing, you know, as I keep practicing and learning how to do nails, I'll get much better with perfecting my shape. But yeah, you guys, I like a nice tapered square. So the shape did come out really nice. I was proud of it. And now I'm gonna go in with my primer. I'm using my Mia Secret primer. This is my favorite primer. My nails never ever lift when I use this. So for this set, I am going to be using 4 different colors, okay? And I'm going to go in and start off with this really nice new type of stone color. So today I am going to be trying to use my larger brush. And sometimes I just flip in between brushes because I want to, you know, just give myself a little bit more practice. I do actually like using a larger brush, but I found out that it is way harder using a larger brush than a smaller one. I usually use like a size 10 brush, and this brush was like a 20, I believe. So if you guys want to learn more about like the actual application and how to perfect it, definitely check out channels like Sydney Alexis. I love her. I've been watching her for the last few months, and it's really helped me with my acrylic application. So one thing to note when you're doing your own nails, you guys, it is way harder because if you don't hold your hand the correct way, your acrylic, it just, you know, it runs all over the place, okay? But the acrylic I am using is from Not Polish, and I'm using my Mia Secret monomer. So basically for this look, you just want to alternate browns and nude type of acrylic colors. I did one finger like a chocolate brown, a nude brown, kind of like a stone brown, grayish looking color. And then I did a caramel type of brown. And if you're looking for some really good colored acrylics, I definitely recommend Not Polish and also another company called Creme Sugar. So once I was done applying my acrylic, this is how my nails turned out, you guys. I did decide to go in and change the color on my index finger to a different brown. And this is the finger I actually made the caramel brown. And I did go in and just drill off that acrylic. And I'm going back in with the caramel brown color from Creme Sugar. Now, this color was really nice, and I decided to add it to my nails last minute. It made all the colors merge together better than the color that was previously on there. So I just went in and applied that, and I am using a size 10 brush, which is a little bit easier for me to work with and control the acrylic. And I think this nail came out really, really good. But yeah, you guys, this acrylic is so creamy and so pretty. I'm definitely gonna go back on their site and get a few more of their colors. And let me know, you guys, in the comment section below if you notice me getting a little bit better with applying my nails not as thick. Because when I first started doing nails, I just had a problem of using too much acrylic. And I'm still working on that because my nails, while they are thinner, they still appear a little bit thick as I'm washing it back. So I do like to go in and file it down and stuff just to get a really, really good thickness and shape to my nails. So now I'm going in with my drill and my fine sanding bit, and I'm just going to drill down my nails just so they're nice and smooth. Just getting rid of any of the lumps and bumps and making sure it's nice and smooth around the cuticle. Now, as you get better with nails, you guys, you won't have to like file and drill as much because your application will already be really nice and flawless. When I do other people's nails, it's a lot easier to get my application nice and smooth, but on myself it is so hard. And once I'm done drilling, I did go in on my file and just perfect that nice square shape. So now I'm going in with my buffer just to make sure my nails look really nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go ahead and brush away all of that dust. So now with my nails, I actually go in and wash them because I've noticed I've been having issues with like dust and stuff being left over. And brushing away the dust isn't good enough. So I did go ahead and wash my nails. And now I'm just making sure they're nice and dry before I go in and apply my top coat. The top coat I like to use is the OPI Chrome Effects. It works really good and it lasts a long time, and my nails get, like, you guys, super, super glossy. And I'm just going to apply a nice thin coat over all my nails, and I'm going to cure it for about 60 seconds. So once I was done curing my nails, I did go in with some cuticle oil because, you guys, my hands stay like dry and ashy. I have no idea why, but they're always, always dry. So don't skip this step. It just pulls everything together and make your nails look so nice and professional. And this is the end result, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this quick nail tutorial. It's a really cute idea if you guys were looking for something to put on your nails for the fall and winter season. Thanks so much for watching my videos, you guys. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.